So the first law is law of dominance. Now what is law of dominance? Law of dominance states that when two homozygous individuals with one or more set of contrasting characters are crossed, the F1 hybrid have both the contrasting gene of the pairs but only one express, and it does not allow the other one to appear. So that is the bookish line. We will simplify it and understand it and try to write in more simplified way. Okay, so according to law, first understand that what is the law. Here the law says that two homozygous individual. Now for that, definitely two individuals have to be taken. Now what are those? Let's take two individual. Let's take capital T as a one individual. Okay, this is one individual. This is homozygous. Okay, homozygous means both are same, both are of same type. So this is homozygous. Okay, now we have to take what we have to take contrasting character. So suppose capital T is for tall, so let's take small t for short. Okay, let's take small since both are small t, so this is also homozygous. So this is what this is. The law says that when two individual of homozygous, the two individual with the contrasting character, homozygous individual with the contrasting characters are crossed. When they are crossed, so let's make their gamete so that the gamete can be crossed. So this is gamete. Okay, so this will also give gamete. So this is gamete. So let's cross the gamete. So when this will be crossed, so definitely what we will get? We get capital T from here, the capital T from here, small t we will get. From capital T here, small t from here, so capital T, small t. Capital T from this side, small t. Capital T from there and small t from there. Now this is what? This is offspring. Now this offspring is called F1 generation. This is called F1 generation. So in the F1 generation, we see all this offspring will have capital T and small t as their gamete. Okay, now when the plant grew, it grew as a tall. So all the plant grew as a tall. So that means this capital T is for tall and small t for the short plant or dwarf plant. Okay, but when the plant grew, it grew as a tall plant. So that means this capital T is suppressing this small t. This capital T is dominant over the small t. So that is the law of dominance. That law of dominance says that when two homozygous of contrasting characters are crossed, one character is appeared in the F1 generation and one character suppressed in the F1 generation. So the character which appears in the F1 generation is the dominant character, and the character which is suppressed in the F1 generation is the recessive character.